If you're looking to delete an old Instagram account without the password, email, or phone number, here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily delete it. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Instagram application and log into any one of your accounts by entering the correct credentials. And once you have logged into your account, click on the search icon from the bottom and simply search for the account that you want to delete. Now, from the profile page, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. And here you'll get three different options that is highlighted in red color, which is restrict, block, and report. Tap on report. Now tap on there pretending to be someone else. Tap on me and then select something else. And then tap on submit. You'll also get the option to block this account, restrict, or get support. Tap on done in the bottom. You will need to report this account with many accounts. Try reporting it more than 5 accounts and it might work. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.